Go ahead.
This is a story of the fall of the great and powerful Slender Man. Let's go.
Hey! Don't go. You will never come back. He has no eyes, but he can see. He has no mouth, but he can speak. He has no ears, but he can hear.
Listen, creepy dude. What is your name?
My name is Bruce. But that doesn't matter.
Look, I will defeat this creature and end fear once and for all.
You are dumber than you look. You cannot defeat him. He looks down his black tentacles and dismember you slowly.
I cannot be defeated. I don't fear death. Don't worry. You will be free from his grasp.
I warned him.
And